Okay, so we're pumped to bring you this awesome property in historic Clayburn Village. So I'm going to tell you a bit of a story. So the clients that bought this property, some of my favorite people to work with, were coming from a spectacular acreage. And when it came time to selling, it was simply because they're entrepreneurs, they're coming and going all the time, and it's hard to stay up on acreage and all the work that needs to be done. So when it came time to replacing that property, we needed something unique with space and privacy and something cool for the house. And I remember walking into this place and the wife's eyes lit up when she went into the house because it is so cool. It's nostalgic, but it's modern, it's cool. You got space, place for the kids to run, and you got a wicked awesome place for your home office as well. Come on in, let's have a look. So if you're coming from a newer, modern home, a heritage place will probably not be on your list because the essential living spaces like the kitchen are tight, and this lit everybody up when we first looked at it. It's super cool, and the main living, all the essential spaces are unreal. So welcome to my favorite aspect of the property. So I've always been a big fan of the garden suite, the man cave. Check this out. This place is absolutely cool. You could use it as a guest house or whatever you like. It is unreal. So of course we're bringing this property to the market in the pre-spring market, so there's no leaves on the trees, but in a couple months, this place transforms into the lush gardens, making massive privacy. It is absolutely awesome, and we would love to show it to you. Reach out to us today, info@hardyteam.ca, or if you're just curious about the value of your property in today's market, again, reach out to us anytime, info@hardyteam.ca. Have a great day.